Hello everyone! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofi Lacson. And for today's video mga kaibigan, pag-uusapan po natin itong XM trading tutorial, a step-by-step guide para sa mga beginners. On this video discussion, ito yung mga key features na pag-uusapan natin. First, we are going to talk about in brief nitong XM trading broker. Next, kung paano tayo makapagbukas ng trading account. And after that, magkakaroon tayo ng Personal Traders Area Tour at pag-uusapan din po natin ang XM trading platforms, including its trading app, and finally, itong deposit and withdrawal. So kung meron ka ng awareness about XM at gusto mong magkaroon ng practical guide about the basics, paano ka makapagsimulang mag-trade with this broker, so this video is for you. And let's proceed. So, ang XM is one of the most and multi-awarded broker. And of course, meron po itong tamang kadahilanan. It was founded in 2009, offering trading services for over 1,400 financial instruments. Kabilang dito ang Forex, stock CFDs, commodities, indices, and even itong cryptocurrencies. Multi-regulated with the top-tier regulatory bodies in the financial markets at mas nakikilala ang XM sa kanilang high execution speeds, low entry barriers, and multi-jurisdictional regulation. So basically, sa Pilipinas, wala namang batas na nagre-regulate talaga with brokers like nitong XM. Though recently merong lumabas na parang advisory, but hindi naman siya banned dito sa Pilipinas. In terms of trading accounts, meron itong micro, standard, and ultra low, including nitong zero and shares. And the minimum deposit is only $5. And ganun pa rin, the most common na ginagamit na trading platforms like MT4 and MT5, ito pa rin yung karaniwang ginagamit with XM. And the best part is meron itong proprietary XM mobile app. And ito yung pinaka-good news pa. Meron na itong bagong web trader platform powered by TradingView. Gaya ng makikita natin sa screen ngayon. Well, anyway, if you are a total beginner, XM is somehow, for me, champions on educating their traders and providing support in order for us to level up sa ating mga skills. And on top sa lahat ng nabanggit ko, ang kanilang promotions na pwede tayong magkaroon ng 100% deposit bonus na up to $500. Wherein, ang konsepto nito is, example, mag-deposit tayo ng $100, magkakaroon tayo ng additional bonus na $100 din, dagdag capital for our trading. And that would be up to $500. And iba pang mga bonuses na pwede nating pakinabangan. This time, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay kung paano ka mag-create or mag-open ng trading account with XM. Mabilis lamang ito at wala namang complication. And to start the registration process, maglalagay po ako ng link sa description ng video natin, gaya po nito. Then you can simply click it at dito ka iraroute directly sa sign up page like nito makikita natin sa screen ngayon. Now, if you are using your mobile phone, wala naman po yung problema. Dahil all the necessary processes ay pareho lang as we use desktop. With the link na ibinigay ko sa inyo, meron itong bonuses na pwede mong i-claim pagkatapos ng iyong registration. So una, ang hiningi dito is country of residence, of course the Philippines. And next, input mo lang yung valid email. And then you create your desired password. Check mo lang itong I consent to receive communication from the broker itself. And then proceed with this register button. You just follow the process and ituloy-tuloy mo ang pag-register ngayon. For the final part will be the identity verification in which mag-submit tayo ng document as proof of our identity like nitong mga government-issued identification card such as driver's license, passport, national ID, and among others. And at the same time, magbibigay din po tayo ng proof of address. At ang tatanggapin naman dito will be our bank account statement, utility bills like water, electricity, internet, etc. Generally, ito yung tinatawag na KYC. And once fully created na yung account mo, there will be a default na trading account which is the standard and a demo account. Ngayon na meron ka ng trading account with XM, ang gagawin naman natin this time ay magkakaroon tayo ng personal traders area tour. This discussion ay napaka-beneficial sa atin, lalong-lalo na if you are really a beginner. Dahil sa medyo madaming navigation dito sa personal traders area, somewhat like overwhelming the moment wala tayong practical guide kung paano i-locate ang mga gusto nating puntahan. And this is the latest version of XM online account. And the good news po nito, dahil sobrang user-friendly niya, especially sa mga beginners. Pwede mo namang i-explore ito directly ngayon, but if you want to have some guide, tapusin mo lang panuorin ang video natin. So first, uunahin natin itong pinaka-right part, bandang itaas. With this icon, ito yung pinaka-profile. And as you can see, nandito ang highlight kung naka-verified na ba ang ating account. Meron ding support and the sign out. But I think the most important part dito is ang settings. At kung i-click mo ito, andito ang profile settings that includes your personal information, documents, security, and other legal documents. At the same time, notification. And dito basically may nagme-message sa akin kung paano daw nila baguhin ang appearance ng kanilang XM online account. What I'm trying to say is from dark theme to white or white theme to dark. Dahil magkaiba tayo ng mga preferences. So halimbawa ngayon, ang theme na ginamit ko is black at kung gusto ko itong baguhin to white, dito mo siya makikita. Merong system default which is white or light at ang pinili ko is dark. Okay? Itong parang star button dito, ito yung XM Traders Club journey. Kung saan habang nagtitrade tayo with XM, along the way, mayroong parang ranking na the more tayo umaangat, magkakaroon tayo ng parang rebates or itong tinatawag na XM coin na pwede nating i-redeem into cash or bonus. Pwede mong i-click itong how it works button para malaman ang iba pang mga detalye with this program. Ito naman yung icon for all the notification. And this wallet icon is the funding section kung saan pwede tayong mag-withdraw ng ating money, mag-deposit, and internal transfer from one account to your another account. And the transaction history of all your funding activities. Ito naman yung trading account mo na gagamitin the moment magsimula ka ng mag-trade. At meron itong demo trading account and the real trading account. Of course, pag sinabing demo, this is a virtual money allowed by XM na pwede nating gamitin to practice our strategy, to improve our skills. The moment ready ka na to trade ng totoong pera at puhunan mo, you will be using your real trading account. May ibang trading account types with XM na pwede rin tayo mag-open, most especially kung gusto natin ng mas mababa pang spreads. And all we need to do ay magdagdag lang tayo ng panibagong trading account by clicking this plus new account button. And if you do that, merong option dito kung ang pipiliin mo ba ay real account or demo account. So halimbawa kung gusto natin magdagdag ng panibagong real account, dito piliin lang natin ang MT5. Now, ito yung mga account types na pwede nating pagpipilian. Standard, the micro, ultra low standard, ultra low micro, and shares. So halimbawa kung gusto natin ng mas mababang trading fees, pipiliin natin itong ultra low standard. Then let's continue. At may nakalagay dito kung meron ka bang partner code. So click mo lang itong enter here. May inilagay po akong partner code sa description ng video natin. Pwede mo yung gamitin in order to have additional privileges and bonuses with XM using that code. Check mo lang itong for terms and condition and then continue. At pagkatapos magkakaroon ka na ng bagong trading account type na pwede mong gamitin to trade with XM. Dito sa bandang left section naman, una itong markets, kung saan dito tayo mamimili ng gusto nating currency pair or any CFDs na balak nating i-trade. At pwede mong i-search directly dito sa search button na to ang market na gusto mong i-trade. At pwede mong itong i-add sa yung watchlist. So sa akin, ang pinaka-tinitrade ko lang is gold and the BTC. At pwede mong i-organize ang section na to. Kumbaga, ang gusto mo lang na makita dito ay yung talagang pinaka-tinitrade mo. Click mo lang itong button na to. At halimbawa, kung gusto natin mag-disappear lahat at maiiwan itong my watchlist, ganito lang gagawin natin. And as you can see, itong BTC and the gold na lang yung natira. So this is an important tip especially sa beginner na focus ka munang magmaster ng isa or dalawang currency pair. So continue tayo. With this icon, ito naman yung trades. Dito natin makikita kung meron tayong open positions, pending orders, and the trading history. With this explore button naman, nandito ang mga markets overview and economic news. At isa sa pinaka-important offerings ng XM is itong copy trading. Medyo matagal na rin itong ino-offer ng broker na to and hindi na muna natin pag-uusapan ito ngayon in detail dahil mas lalong hahaba ang video natin. You can simply subscribe to our channel dahil may kasunod tayong content na nakafocus lang dito sa XM copy trading. Same as with XM competitions. Kailangan nating magkaroon ng separate detailed discussion about this, paano tayo maka-join for free and without any risk dahil ang competition na to, ang gagamitin na trading account is the demo. And finally, you can click more to explore sa iba pang mga details and navigation about XM. So nandito ang reward section, the tools, economic calendar, forex calculator, BPS, etc. At ito very important sa iyo especially if you want to improve your trading skills. Nandito lahat ang mga educational services and tools and also nandito rin ang funding and the trading platform. Kung gusto natin i-download ang MT5 sa ating desktop, the MT4, at kung gusto mo ring i-download with your mobile phone ang XM trading app, and ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, the support. So we have here the help center. Pwede ka ring mag-live chat and submit a question. Available po ito 24/7. Ngayon, ang pag-uusapan naman natin is ang XM trading platforms. Usually dati, meron lamang itong XM MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5 which is available naman with the mobile app sa ating PC and the web trader. And meron din of course itong award-winning XM mobile app. But recently, nagiging available na sa XM Web Trader ang most convenient na ginagamit ng karamihan na trading platform which is itong from TradingView. At ito yung mismong makikita natin sa pinaka-dashboard ng ating personal traders area. Pwede naman nating i-download ang MT5 or MT4 para ating gamitin to trade. But as long as meron naman tayong magandang internet connection, trading with this latest web trader nila, for me ay napaka-convenient. At para makita natin ito in a bigger screen, click lang natin ito. Ayan. And ito yung chart ng gold na tinitrade ko. Very simple at napaka-user-friendly. Sa bandang left side, nandito ang mga tools na pwede nating gamitin. Ito naman ang mga indicators and strategies. Left side sa bandang ibaba ay ang hourly, daily, and weekly, and so on na mga time frames. At para sa mas maikling time frame in minutes, ito yon. Merong 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and so on. Dito banda naman ay makikita natin ang order section kung gusto na nating mag-trade. May option for one-click order. Ibig sabihin, hindi na natin kailangan ng confirmation pag ating i-activate ito. In short, pagka nag-click tayo ng buy, automatic mag-place na yung order natin. So example, to place an order, as we can see, ang trend line ngayon is downtrend. So for the sake of this sample, pipiliin natin ang sell. Ito yung lot size and click natin ang ating order. So dahil hindi naka-activate ang one-click order, meron pang confirmation na kailangan. So place natin. And as you can see, tumatakbo na yung trade natin. In terms naman sa pinaka-important part of risk management, which is ang paglalagay ng take profit and stop loss, click lang natin ito. Nandito ang option for the price, for take profit, and the stop loss level. And ayan, nag-profit na yung trade natin. And finally, kung gusto mo nang mag-deposit with your trading account para makapagsimula ka ng mag-trade, click mo lang itong wallet button na to in order to proceed in the funding section. At kung makikita natin dito, mayroong deposit option na pwede nating i-proceed. In terms naman sa mode of transaction, available ang mobile banking, meron ding GCash, cryptocurrencies, online bank transfer, credit and debit cards, Google Pay, and Binance Pay. So as of now, naka-disable pa ang Maya. So example, mag-deposit tayo using GCash, click lang natin, and the good news is wala po itong bayad. With a minimum deposit of 1,700, maximum of 50,000 gamit ang GCash. So input mo lang ang amount na gusto mo, like example 10,000, and ayan magre-reflect na dito ang amount in USD, and ituloy-tuloy mo lang itong deposit until mag-fulfill. As to my experience, napakabilis lang nitong ma-process. On the other hand, kung gusto mo namang mag-withdraw ng iyong income, click mo lang itong withdraw button. At available naman sa mode of transaction dito ang online bank transfer, bank card payout, and NetTeller. So ako ang ginagamit ko is Union Bank. Again, with my experience, wala pang 3 minutes, pasok na yung withdrawal natin. So that's all lang po muna for our video today mga kaibigan. I hope ang content natin ay nakatulong sa'yo. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and good luck with your trading journey.